How to remove blackheads and whiteheads on cheeks, step-by-step guide. Dealing with blackheads and whiteheads on your cheeks can be frustrating, but with the right approach, you can clear your skin and prevent future breakouts. In today's video, we'll walk you through an easy, safe, and effective routine to remove both blackheads and whiteheads. To get started, you'll need a few key products: a gentle cleanser, a method for steaming, an exfoliator, a blackhead and whitehead extractor tool, a toner, and a light moisturizer. Step 1. Cleanse your face. Begin by washing your skin with a gentle cleanser to remove oil, dirt, and makeup. Make sure to focus on your cheeks where the blackheads and whiteheads are most prominent. Step 2. Steam your face. Steaming helps open up your pores, making it easier to extract blackheads and whiteheads. Lean over a bowl of warm water for 5 to 10 minutes, allowing the steam to soften the clogged pores on your cheeks. Step 3. Exfoliate your skin. Use a gentle exfoliator or brush to remove dead skin cells and unclog your pores. Exfoliation helps loosen the blackheads and whiteheads, making extraction easier. Step 4. Use an extractor tool. Gently press the looped end of the tool around the blackhead or whitehead. Apply slight pressure and make sure you don't force it. Be gentle to avoid damaging the skin. Step 5. Tone your skin. After extraction, it's important to apply a toner to close up the pores and soothe the skin. Choose a calming toner to prevent irritation. Step 6. Moisturize. Finish the routine by applying a non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated without clogging pores. By following these steps, you can successfully remove blackheads and whiteheads from your cheeks, leaving your skin clearer and smoother. With regular care, you can prevent future breakouts and maintain healthy skin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, consistency is key to keeping your skin free from blackheads and whiteheads. Follow this routine once or twice a week for best results.